Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video we're going to be doing the unboxing of this Dodge Ram D50. Looks like a fun little kit. I'd been looking for one of these for a while, as I said with my stash ads for April. They're very expensive. For whatever the reason, they're extremely expensive on eBay. And I was able to find this one at a model show for 15 bucks. Offered him a $10 bill. He said he took it. So I gave it to him and well, got the model I've been looking for. I'm going to open this up, get the plastic off, take the glare down. I got a pretty bright overhead light in here. The box is a little banged up, but I'm hoping that doesn't carry over to the model itself. Over here in this box. All right, well, so right out of the gate here, it's an AMT. I'm sure that this kit's been out before. This one is got a 2003 date on it, RC2 brands. I don't know what RC2 means. Somebody knows what RC2 means, you can leave me a comment. If you're interested in researching the kit itself, that's 38,114. We sent it, airmail. 38,114. You better look at it over here on this side. Some brief, like some small photographs of what you can do with it. It's a I don't know what I'm doing with this one yet, whether it's going to be a box stocker or whether we're going to open it all up, take the doors off, do our thing. I'm trying to learn that. It's seems like quite an art. There's a lot of people that are very, very good at doing that with models. And I'm trying hard to improve my skill and learn it. We'll probably do some work right here this summer. And definitely going to do my model cars and coffee right here. So it's a pretty good looking manual. It's got color suggestions with the instructions. Okay, well, I'll get you a look at it. We got some good illustrations. Like I said, there's color suggestions with the with the instructions. I was laughing because right here in this illustration, it shows some sort of a platform. It looks like with speakers, I guess. Not doing that. Nothing against it. I just it's not my thing. Looks like the box comes in multiple pieces, and the cab you can see sitting right there. What's this? This our well, that's our license plates. They're from Oklahoma. It says Ram it. We'll probably leave it unregistered. Drive it around that way. Put this off to the side. I'll set this off to the side. I guess so you can still see what we're doing. Not a huge box of parts. Doesn't look like anyway. So I'll probably leave the chrome and the glass right in the packages for now. Probably leave the chrome and the glass right in the packages for now. Like I was saying before the wind tried to pull the door open. I live pretty close to a busy road, so I'm trying to keep the noise down. But we got 2 sets of rims. Look like your standard and some sort of aftermarket. Got the cylinder head right here. Possibly an air intake. The grill looks like to probably be an alternator. There's your glass. Looks like you can do a sunroof in it. Front glass, rear glass. And it looks like the headlights are molded right into the chrome. So the tires, and I guess it just comes with the wide tires. Huh. Comes with some pretty good wide tires. And the taillight lenses are in that package as well. So these are Michelin 2 XGT. Okay. Get this chrome package open. Not the chrome package. The chrome package closed. Parts package. Oh, that's not. This blade has had its day. Doesn't even want to open and box model parts. I've thrown away model parts before by not checking. So we've got a rear truck panel, the box panels and the box inside. Looks like some sort of a ground effects kit, like a chin spoiler probably. These are the rear seats if you want to put those in and do that speaker thing and a roll bar. I'm really wanting to build this more, as much stock as I can. I can see already that it's probably not going that direction because it's got those wide tires, but we'll stick to it the best we can. Your interior seats, inside part of the tailgate, your engine bay. Well, you can probably see there's a part inside the interior tub. It's like some sort of roof rack or something. Oh, it's taped. I'll leave it taped. So there's your very small interior tub. This is like a roof rack or something. Mirrors. Small interior center console. A CB. Either a CB or a blower of some sort for the interior. This piece right here. The frame is all on its own. Nice frame. It's got some detailing. Look at those. Look at the holes and the supports and stuff. And quite a bit of detail there. It'll be a fun little build. This is the only piece of tree or sprue, people call it, that's attached. Nice bolts there. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, here's that tonneau cover looking thing with the speakers in it. It's pretty funny. That'll go in the parts box forever. All right, so we got our exhaust, our gas tank, the rear end assembly, suspension, front and rear by the looks. Got a two-part drive shaft, gas tank if I didn't mention it. All of the engine assembly appears to be on this right here. They got your engine halves, intake, fan belt, pulley assembly thing. I don't know if this is, one of these is intake, one of them is exhaust, oil pan, the cylinder head, the valve cover was in there before, fan, intake, you got a battery here. All right, a little bit of an interruption, nothing crazy. I'm back at it. The wheel, inner wheels, steering wheel, hubs, probably front and rear bumper. This would be the front, this would be the rear. Maybe like the spoiler on the bottom. Shifter. And some sort of suspension, I assume. Don't really know. Those wide fender flares cover up those big wide tires. That's your hood. This is a pretty nice hood underneath. You got a lot of detail you don't always see with other models. Your truck tailgate, and I think this is probably going to be like near the cab portion of the box. Maybe it's just the back of the cab. There's your cab. You can probably see in the roof where the sunroof can go. There you go. Let's just look at it. You can actually see it on this side here. If you want to put the sunroof in. It's not centered. I don't know if you can see that or not, but see where the cutout is. There's more space on one side to the other. Maybe I'll see if I can get the light to shine through there again. There's more space on this side from this edge to the edge of the sunroof as there is from this edge to this edge of the sunroof. What I might do is just take a little putty and fill that in based off from that, because it's going to drive me crazy. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to handle that being out of center. I don't think this is getting the sunroof. So that will conclude out this video. I appreciate everyone who has followed along. I appreciate everyone who's subscribed. We've had a ton of support for the channel. And without you guys, this channel wouldn't be a channel. If you have any thoughts or comments, you want to leave me a comment about this build or this truck. If you've built it before, you have advice, leave it in the comment section down below. Toss me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate it if you do. And until we see each other again, everybody out there be safe. Everyone be blessed.